back to the channel and to the finished video on the Skoda Fabia. As mentioned in the previous video, this is a 2016 model 1.2 TSI 5-speed petrol manual. As you can see from the side now, the doors have been replaced and the wheel arch damage has been repaired. The car's just had a brand new MOT, a full service, and is ready to go. Moving on to the inside, it has been fully valeted. The car's just covered 53,100 miles. It's got such features as air conditioning, central locking, power steering, electric windows, speed limit system, crash detection system, and a full touchscreen infotainment system. If you've not seen the first video, we'll leave a link in the top corner for you. As always, we thank you for taking the time to watch the videos. If you've got any questions, you can leave it in the link below, or you can email me at c96rebuilds@gmail.com. Do give us a thumbs up if you enjoy the videos, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.